In this video, I'm going Romanian creek fishing in Romania. Probably just going to try and catch some creek trout, wild trout. Have some little, like, I don't know what these are called. Let me just show you guys. Fishing at this, like, dam thing. And this is what I'm fishing with. So hopefully we catch one. This place looks good. Little deep pool. And fishing down there. I should be able to catch them down there. That one. There we go. Looks like a small brook trout. That was the first 5 seconds. Let's go. Fish number 2. Let's catch another one. I was trying to fish in the current where the water falls down because the bubbles agitates the fish, and when I put my bait there, they will bite more often than in different parts in this little area because the bubbles agitate them. So those were my biggest chances, but the water was too powerful. Hopefully we can get more, and a big one. Just got the third one, the biggest one yet. There we go. Oh. Oh. Ah. No, that was on camera, but wasn't really paying attention. Just moved spots, got a bigger trout, and it was definitely worth to move spots because the fighting died there. Got this guy here, pretty fat. This is day 2. I'm here. As you can tell, I'm not where I was yesterday. Yesterday I was up there. Now I'm over here, down where I was fishing yesterday. Just got one. Definitely just got the smallest one yet. And definitely looks the most like a rainbow trout, this one. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a lot different and a lot shorter than my other videos. And I'm going to post this video not long. Got 9 river trout in Romania. My 2 weeks in Romania was very fun there, and I really enjoyed. Had 2 days fishing on the creek and caught 9 trout, 1 rainbow trout, and 8 brook trout. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to watch my September U Fun, click here. And if you want to watch my last fishing video last year, click here.